Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Progressive Affiliate Program for auto insurance leads, detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the Progressive Affiliate Program website. Locate the Sign Up or Join Now button on the homepage. Click on the button to initiate the registration process. Fill out the required information in the application form. Input your name, email address, and phone number. Provide your business details, including the business name and website URL. Select the type of traffic you plan to generate for the affiliate program. Choose how you learned about the Progressive Affiliate Program. Review the terms and agreements provided on the site. Accept the terms by checking the designated box. Submit your application by clicking the Submit button. Wait for a confirmation email from Progressive. Check your inbox for the email and follow any provided instructions. Log into the affiliate portal using the credentials you set up. Explore the dashboard to understand available resources and tools. Find promotional materials relevant to the auto insurance leads. Utilize tracking links to monitor your referrals and earnings. Implement your marketing strategies to begin generating leads. Maintain consistent communication with your affiliate manager for support. Review your performance regularly within the affiliate dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.